Hey there, curious minds. Ready to unlock the secrets of our amazing world? Let's get started.
Why does oil float on water? Why does sugar disappear in tea? It's all about a chemical love and hate relationship. Scientists use Greek words. Hydrophilic means water-loving. Hydrophobic means water-fearing. To understand why, look at water. It's a polar molecule. It has a positive side and a negative side, like a magnet. Why? Oxygen is an electron hog. It pulls shared electrons closer, making itself negative and the hydrogen positive. Hydrophilic things like sugar or salt are also polar. They love water. The water surrounds them and dissolves them. Hydrophobic things, like oil or fat, are non-polar. They have no charge. Water ignores them, so they clump together to hide. This is why salad dressing separates. The water-loving vinegar stays down, while the water-fearing oil floats to the top. You can see it in a tube. Water curves up glass because glass is hydrophilic. It curves down plastic because plastic is hydrophobic. Enter soap. Soap is special because it is amphipathic. It has a head that loves water and a tail that hates it. Soap traps dirt in a ball called a Micelle. The tails grab the grease, while the heads let the water wash it all away. Your cell membrane is a phospholipid bilayer. It keeps the watery inside separate from the watery outside. In nature, lotus leaves are super hydrophobic. They are so bumpy and waxy that water can't touch them and just roll off. Ducks are waterproof. They spread hydrophobic oil on their feathers so they never actually get wet, even underwater. Ever play with magic sand? It's regular sand coated in hydrophobic spray. It refuses to get wet, creating air pockets underwater. That's capillary action. Water climbs glass because it's hydrophilic. But wax, it pushes water away. So remember, if it mixes, it's hydrophilic. It loves water. If it separates, it's hydrophobic. It fears water. Whether washing your hands or waterproofing your boots, you are using the chemistry of water love and hate.
If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe to Tender Intellects for more such fun videos.